Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade on Moomoo, a popular online trading platform. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Moomoo website or download the mobile app. Once you have created your account, you will need to fund it with money to start trading. First, navigate to the Moomoo platform and log in to your account. From the dashboard, click on the Trade button to access the trading interface. You will see a list of available markets, including stocks, options, and ETFs. Browse through the list to find the market you want to trade in. To place an order, select the market you want to trade in and click on the Buy or Sell button. Enter the number of shares you want to buy or sell and set your desired price. You can choose from different order types, including market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will execute at a specified price or better. A stop-loss order will execute when the price reaches a certain level, helping you limit potential losses. Once you have placed your order, it will be sent to the exchange for execution. You can monitor the status of your order in real time on the Moomoo platform. If your order is filled, you will see the details of the trade, including the price and quantity. To manage your trades, you can use the various tools and features available on the Moomoo platform. These include real-time market data, technical analysis charts, and news feeds. You can also set up alerts and notifications to stay informed about market movements and trading opportunities. Best practices for trading on Moomoo include setting clear goals and risk management strategies, staying informed about market trends and news, and avoiding emotional decision-making. It is also important to diversify your portfolio and not to over-leverage your account. In conclusion, trading on Moomoo is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of markets and trading concepts. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the various tools and features available on the platform, you can start trading with confidence and achieve your investment goals. Remember to always prioritize risk management and stay informed to make the most of your trading experience.